leg. Drop down, over arm. Push in with foot round. Push in with foot round. Now squeeze your eyes to the left. Close your eyes. Turn your head to the left, Brian, as far as you go. Push out the foot. Left ear to left shoulder, ground, your ear across. Push it. And breathe out. Right. About the same. Bend the left knee. Push up hard. Bend the right knee. Push hard.